Alrighty, James, here's a small block Ford. Description is coming in. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom valve covers, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan by Moroso. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 411 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 447. Lots of 40s there. That's the air gap on it. Pretty impressive. Peak source power 506. Everything good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here to see. You're in to find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. Here we have an engine spec sheet. It'll be in your crate. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.